this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a beautiful box of Veet with me, guys. Here Easy Wax Kit. They roll on electric, that is an Italian company. So let's see what we have inside the box. That is a principal purpose. Take this off from here. The price of this product could be 20. Normally you can find somewhere, if you're in promo, 15 or 10 euro could be, or US dollar, depend where you are. Okay, let's take out what we have. We have here some paper in the back, the manual. Here you can see more. One kit for use. You see easy wax. So this will go inside the machine. This is the liquid for take out the hair. Okay, we have a cable, you see, so you don't need any adapter, you just plug and use. That is very lovely. No hassle, no bustle you will have. I put here, and the machine itself. Let's see what more. And we have the stand, so machine will go over. This one I put here, and more things. We have some pack for use. Wipes, they are towels. Okay, many of wipes, 4 pieces. Lovely. Okay, so let's go to the machine. Here we go, guys. Let's see. You see Veet. Lovely. Some marking here. You have 2 beautiful grip here. You can hold, you feel as a rubberized plastic. Bottom, you have a hole here, but the charging port is here, this side. So this is the way you can connect here the charging. You can see something as old devices. Okay, as this. So the best part, I like this one. You don't need any adapter with this one. You can put as this on the tray. You see, beautiful. You can put at your toilet. You can use regular basis if you are using, and you can take out this one. Yeah, lovely. Here, and you put back here, guys. Lovely. If you want to take out the hair from your neck that look very ugly, or hair from your chest, one arm, this is a very good product, Italian product. So you put as this one, you tie this one, and you use this is as a roller. You roll that and take out, you know. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.